So let's say we draw so in here, we can draw something just by clicking the wall, and we can draw we'll draw a normal wall. So we've got different types of wall we can draw up here. If I hold the button, it's going to give me different options. So just a straight wall, a continuous wall, a wall that is taken from different points. So let's say I want a continuous wall. I'll click. And it's giving me guidelines as well. If you want to lock it into a certain guideline, you can hold Shift. See, I can't move it now. Click and click. However, note that this blue line is on the inside. I always want my blue line to be on the outside. So the way to fix it is just actually to flip this. So you click there, and then it's flipped. So I've drawn a set of walls, and they correspond to a layer. So up here, I got all my layers. So there's a lot of layers in here, but they are already preset to a wall and wall external. And let's say I want to draw some more walls in here. So I want to draw some internal walls. Not going to know that it's internal walls. So what I can do is select the walls and click up here and go down to internal walls. Okay, so if I click here, it's now on internal, and these are on external. Okay, so I want to save this view, this exact view, and I've got my scale down here, and let's say the scale is 1 to 100, and I want to save this view. I can right click here on the ground and say save current view. Okay, and then I'll press, and I want to unclick this because whenever I open this, I want it to open in this view. So I'll press create, and then I'll go into my next one, which is the view map, and see it's appeared here. Okay, let's say I want a view with that shows my ground floor without the internal walls. What I can do then is either make a copy here, or I can go back and make a copy. So I can right click, save current view, create, go back to view map. It's created another one, and I can name this without internal walls. Okay, so ground without internal walls. How do I actually change this? I have to select the walls, right click, go to layers, hide layer. And however, this hasn't been saved yet. So the way to save it is to right click here and redefine with current Windows settings.